Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the Ragnarok skin in Fortnite. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I'll show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin we're going to start out with his eyes, and we're going to draw two mean brows. So his face is actually pretty cool looking. So it's just going to be two lines slanting up. And then from there I'm gonna give it some thickness. So I'll probably just end up shading it in because it's hard to draw small lines with a Sharpie. Okay, so just two thick lines, and then on the ends here we're gonna come down a sharp point. Okay, so that's gonna be his mean brow, and then now we're just gonna draw in the eyes underneath. So this one's easy. We're just gonna draw one curve like this. If you want, you can draw the other side first. Now draw the bottom. So it's just gonna be like an almond shape. And his eyes are gonna be glowing, so there'll be no detail inside. Alright, so once you have this, now let's come down and draw the nose. So on the corner of the eye, just kind of come down. On each side, just draw like a little mark going out. And then now we just kind of come in. Just connect that. And that's gonna be his nose. Alright, so now let's draw in the side of the face. So just come onto the side here, and we're just gonna draw two lines. And now we're gonna draw in the mustache. So we're gonna come from the center of the nose, come out, and then come down. And then now we're just gonna connect these. Okay, and then we can finish, let's finish up the top so we can draw in the his head on the top. So it's just gonna be one big dome shape. And we can add in a little bit of hair, but I'll do that in color. I don't want to draw a line there because it might look kind of funny. Okay, so I'll just leave it bald like this first. So now let's go down, and for this part, the beard, the mustache, one line, and then we're gonna come down. Okay, and then the side here, let's fill in the its beard here, which is really cool looking. So in the corner here, we're just gonna flare out. And just kind of come down. And then we just kind of close that off. Okay, and then from here, we're gonna draw his mouth, and I'm gonna give him this mean expression. So in the middle here, just draw one line like this. And then we're gonna curve it up. Okay, and then his lower lip's gonna be right here. Just gonna draw one line, and then in here I'm gonna draw his teeth. So I'm just gonna draw like a bunch of lines, just like that. Keep it simple. Okay, and then now we can finish off his chin. So just come down, just draw a little line like this, and then we're just gonna curve it up. Okay, and then let's draw his ears. Just come to the side of the face right here. Let's draw two curves, so this one's easy. And then we can add in some details for his ear, just drawing some lines. Okay, and then lastly, he's got some scars here. So I'm gonna draw the big one in here first, in the middle. So one line, and then I'm gonna start again on the bottom of the eye. And then there's gonna be a shorter one up here. Shorter one on the bottom, and then another one up here. I'm just gonna draw a little line. Okay, so three lines, and now we're done with the head. So let's move on to the body, and his neck's gonna be kind of behind the beard, so we won't draw that. So we're gonna start out going out to his shoulders. I'm just gonna give him a little bit of slant. Okay, and then we're gonna come down here. Give yourself a little bit of space right here. Just kind of come down, and then we're gonna start here. We're just gonna draw one line. So this part's a little bit tricky, but just imagine if you're going like a straight line here, but then we're just giving it some space. Okay, so come down, and we're just gonna close it off. And then we can draw in his belt. So he's got two. So just one rectangle, and then another one at the bottom. And it's got a lot of detail, but let's draw in the other belts first. So let's draw in this one. So we can draw in the corner right here. I'm just gonna come all the way across. And then from here, we're gonna come all the way across. So there's 2 belts, so we're gonna divide this one up. Okay, so now we got all the belts in and we can add in the details. But let's do that after we draw in the arms. Okay, so right here on the shoulder, here's the armpit. There's the shoulder coming down. Bicep, bracket, and then we're gonna start up here. Draw the bracket. Okay, so that's his elbow right here. Then we're gonna go out. Curve this one in, and this one's gonna come in. So past the belt slightly. Okay, just close it off, and I'm just gonna give him his fist. So we're gonna come down. That's his thumb right there, and here's the back of the fist. I'm just gonna curve this in. Okay, and then let's draw in the straps for this. So right here on this mark right here, I'm just gonna draw one line, and then on this side, we're gonna come across this way. Okay, and then we're just gonna draw another line here going this way, and then just one going this way. Right, because he's got a lot of straps, so I'm just kind of keeping it simple. And then for his forearm here, so I'm gonna draw one line, and again, he's got more straps. So I'm just gonna draw in some lines like this and just try to give it a little bit of angle so that it looks like it's kind of wrapping around the arm. Okay, so let's draw in the other arm. So here's the armpit. All right, same side. Come down. It's the bracket. Start up here, bracket. Here's the elbow. Come out for the lower arm. And then we're gonna curve this one in. This one is gonna be pretty straight. And close it right around here. And now for his fist, same thing. That's his thumb. Here's the back of the fist. And just close that off. And then we can join the straps again. So again, one line there, and then on this one, come out to the back of the fist, and then come up, draw another line, and then we're gonna start here in the middle and just go to the corner. And then same thing here with the straps, one line across, and then I'm just gonna draw some lines at different angles. Okay, so that's his arm, and not a lot of armor because this is just the base versions. So now we can draw in the details on the belt, which is, there's quite a lot of details, so I'm just gonna simplify it. So here, I can draw in one loop. And then here's the end of the belt, so one little arc. And then here's the metal part. Draw that. And then on the bottom one here, it's gonna have another buckle here, and it's gonna curve this side. Adding a little hole here on this side as well. And then on this one, we can, let's keep it simple. So I'm just gonna draw 2 lines like this, and I'm gonna make it look like there's the metal parts inside like that. I'll add a couple of. Okay, and then for the bottom one, it's kind of the same thing. So here's the metal part. Here's the belt loop. And then here, I'm gonna draw 2 holes right here. Bottom one is gonna be the same thing, but just a little bit off to the side a little bit more. So here's the loop. 2 more dots. Okay, so let's draw in, let's go down to his legs. So in the middle here, come down, just draw a little line. And then here we're gonna come down, come out for his pants. Curve in, and then we're gonna close this off. And this is his knee. It looks like it's got some wrapping, so I'm just gonna draw 2 little brackets. And then I'll just divide this in half. So I'm just gonna draw lines, so make it look like it's a bunch of wrappings. Okay, so the other side is gonna be kind of the same. So we're coming out, come down here, curve in, And again, I'm gonna close it. Slight bracket here, curve. Close that off, and then again divide it in half. Okay, so now for his lower leg. So his lower legs got some different details. So just kind of flare out really big. And then we're gonna come in and just give it a little bit of waviness to it. And then we're gonna close that off, just draw another line. And then for this part here, just add in some lines here just to make it look like it's kind of the fur. Okay, so let's go and draw on the other side. So it's gonna flare out quite a bit. And now we're gonna close it with a wavy line again. One line there, and then again these lines on the fur. And then now we're gonna come down for the lower leg. So this one's easy. We're just gonna kind of pinch it in, close it off, and dome shape here. Have it come out more on this side. Close that off, and then just a little bit of sew. And it looks like it's got some straps here, so I'm just gonna draw one. So 2 lines, and then the other side, same thing. Just kind of pinch it in, close it, and then dome shape. Have it come out more on this side. A little bit of sew, and then again the strap here. And lastly, we got drawing the horn on his side here. So this part right here, we're gonna draw one line this way, and then now we're gonna draw the opposite curve on the other side. Okay, because it's a little bit 3-dimensional. We're gonna come down on each side, and then we're gonna draw the same curve as this curve. Okay, and then now we're just gonna finish this off. This is just gonna behind the legs. And that is it for this Ragnarok character from Fortnite. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.